I am on the PlayStation Messages app trying to get this to work, and I'm having an issue trying to connect. And this is what happens. Like, I get this, it'll see how it said an error occurred, but it'll say cannot connect to network. So once I try this a few times, I even tried re-downloading the app a few times. See, this is just a you see the sign that the error code is not even coming up now. So I'm just going to show this to you guys. Just a few tries. See, there it is right there. But that's something that's really been the issue that I've been having with this app. And it started earlier today. Because last night and the days before, it was working fine. But now, I don't know if it's an issue with PlayStation Network. I'm not sure if they can probably fix it at some point. Maybe by tonight, we'll see. But I use this app because it is so handy when I'm playing like different games. It doesn't matter what I'm playing. If anyone sends messages, I can keep up and respond to them from the mobile app instead of just constantly going back to the dashboard over and over just to reply slowly. And it takes longer to try to just text up a message and reply from just the controller itself because it's not the mobile app that I was using called that I'm using right now that I'm sharing today with you guys with this issue where you can't connect to the network. It's not just the PlayStation Messages app that you see on the screen here. It's also happening to the PlayStation, the official PlayStation app as well that you get and download free for your Google Play Store or whatever kind of device that you have. But that's the issue that I'm experiencing right now. I just wanted to just talk about it, take some time to talk about it today and share it because I don't know if anyone else uses this app out there. I even had someone mention that they were that their messages was glitched out as well, but that they also was using this app and they had the same issue. So they weren't sure if they were able to send messages and if their messages were going through or not. But the only way I can see them now is if I'm actively online. But what I liked about this is that even when you're away, you can still be able to communicate with anyone that's playing online. You can see what they're playing. You can see who's online from your friends list from the app itself, and you can see the game that they're playing. And if you're trying to meet up and try to schedule like a time that you guys can play if they're in a different time zone, it works so perfectly for situations like that, and that's what I liked about this app. So I'm hoping that they're not trying to get rid of this app or maybe something they're trying to do to improve it. But from recent updates, the last time this update was the last time this app got updated was way back in January 27th. So that's just several months ago since this app has been updated. So I'm hoping that they can probably get it fixed maybe by tonight or maybe later on in the day or at some point this week. We'll have to see what happens. But I just thought I'd share and show you guys and talk about it because I don't know if anyone else out there who still uses this app. But what I liked is that it's easier to just try to text and just keep up with everyone in different group chats. If you're part of any PlayStation groups, you could still be able to message from the app itself instead of just constantly trying to keep going, hitting the PlayStation button and going back to the dashboard. But that's why I really like this app. But it's happening for both mobile both the mobile PlayStation apps that are free to download and I even tried re-downloading it. I couldn't even figure out what else I can probably do. I even tried waiting a few hours, but it seems like it's still the same thing that happens as you guys can see on the screen. So I just thought I'd show it. So if anyone else out there knows any sort of solutions or maybe it's happening to you as well, just let me know. But I don't know if what else I could possibly do besides just wait for them to probably try to fix it if they do even bother trying to get it going. Because I even tried re-downloading and just waiting and it seems to do the same thing for this mobile app. So it's such a good app. It's definitely one of my favorite apps to keep using and just try to message, even regardless of what game I'm playing, even on and off stream. It works, and it's just that good of an app. But just let me know if you guys try to use this, and maybe some of you guys probably try to figure out something to get it to work for you.